Need cold storage but don't want to add a walk-in? Look no further than this 3-section reach-in refrigerator from Motac. The solid-state thermostat detects temperature changes in the cabinet to maintain products between 33 and 41 degrees Fahrenheit, which staff can monitor with the digital display. Items are stocked on 9 shelves that can adjust to accommodate large containers, while the safety-shielded interior lighting illuminates the cabinet to quickly locate the products you need. The 3 doors self-close to minimize cold air loss, and the Stay Open feature holds the doors in place for easy restocking. To learn more and order a Motac refrigerator for your kitchen, call today or visit ktom.com.